We developed a new resin that has very good corrosion protection properties. It's a polyester resin to be cured with primate. And the way we developed this product was a bit different than normally, where it's in resin design it's a lot of trial and error. But this time we took a more scientific approach, where we actually went into the mechanisms of corrosion. We took out one aspect which is related to the barrier properties of the coating, and we analyzed what kind of backbone raw materials have an effect on that. And by doing these studies we developed this resin that is a bit more hydrophobic than other systems. It has a very good adhesion to the substrate, and if you actually measure the electrical resistance of the coating, you see that it has a much higher electrical resistance compared to a lot of other systems. And thus it makes it more difficult for species like oxygen or water to diffuse through the film and start corroding the metal surface. This was confirmed by measurements. We also compared it with a lot of other commonly used powder coating systems like epoxy hybrid systems, like pure epoxy systems, or a standard polyester for primate cure, and yeah, we actually saw quite a significant improvement in corrosion protection properties. If you look at innovations, so things that are really currently developing, I think on the paint side, the powder paint side, you see a lot of things happening in the field of new functionalities, like antimicrobial coatings or self-cleaning surfaces. I believe that's a lot more to come in the future. Also on the application side, I see very interesting developments. For example, flame spray technology. Then the resin side, also there interesting things are happening. If you look, for example, at curing temperatures, which are a bit of a disadvantage of powder coatings, but they are going down all the time. The newer systems, they can be cured at 140 degrees C, 150 degrees C. And we also strongly believe that there is a bright future for powder coatings in the area outside metal. Are really on heat-sensitive substrates like MDF or wood or plastic, but you really need a low curing temperature there. And in fact, about half of our total innovation efforts are directed in this area. And this will come.